Hello everyone, have you ever had an important image like a resume or a document that you needed to send as a PDF? In this video, I'll show you how you can quickly convert any image into PDF. First, you'll need a PDF editor tool. While you can use any, for this demonstration, I'll be using the SysTweak PDF editor because of its simplicity and efficiency. If you would like to follow along, you can download and install it from the link given in the description below. Let's start by opening SysTweak PDF editor. First, click on Convert at the top. Since we want to create a PDF file from an image, click on Convert From. In the drop-down menu, you can see that we can convert various document types to PDF like Word, Excel, PPT, images, and many more. Since we want to convert an image to a PDF, choose Image to PDF from the drop-down menu. Next, select the image you want to convert. Here, I'm choosing an image of a document. Click Open. It will now process the image and it's done. Click OK and here is the PDF file of the image. It automatically gets saved in the original location of the image. As you can see, here is our image and its corresponding PDF file. And that's not all. With SysTweak PDF Editor, you can also convert multiple images or files into PDFs all at once instead of doing them one by one. If you click here on Batch Process, you'll find the option Batch Create. Click on it and now you can add different types of multiple files all at once, not just images that you want to convert to PDFs. You can choose an output folder to save all the PDFs created. Once you have loaded the files, all you have to do is click Create PDF and SysTweak PDF Editor will convert all the selected files into PDF documents. It's done and you can see all the PDFs in the output folder. So whether you need to send your resume, a scanned document or any image as a PDF, SysTweak PDF Editor makes it quick and easy. You can download it from the link given in the description and try it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.